Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Turtle Beach Atlas Air to your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top. Now go to settings. Then press and hold power button and make sure that this LED light is flashing blue, because if it's flashing green, just click on this second button to enter into Bluetooth mode. And after that, it should enter to pairing mode automatically. As you can see, we have it at the device list, but if it doesn't, just press and hold Bluetooth button. And now it entered to pairing mode. Then click connect. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.